Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a couple of modifications to my Miata. I wouldn't call them a mod because it's all undoable. It's not actually messing with the car. So let me show you what I got. Bunch of boxes. No. I'm going to be replacing the interior dome light, because the stock one is really dim and this one is supposed to be a lot brighter. I also purchased these backings that are going to go in the door frame of the car. Again, it's undoable, it's just 3M tape is how it's going to stick on. I have trim kit tools to remove the plastic to get the dome light in there. I honestly don't know what they're all used for, but I just need one that'll help me pop out the light. Then I got these custom cup holder inserts, and I have these in my Elantra. And I love them, so I got a set for my Miata. So just a couple tiny things I'll be doing today. This is gonna go right here in the door. It'll look like that. Just pressed it on there. I like it because it blends in with the car paint pretty well. This one goes in the front. This one's gonna go in the console. I'm just not recognizing where this one is supposed to go. When you install the light, you wanna make sure that your dome light is turned off. That way you aren't gonna get electrocuted. I'm using this tool here to pop open the light. I popped it out, the little light fixture, and you can see the light is right up here. And that's what I need to replace. Now I just gotta pop the cover back on. And that's that, super easy. It is so much brighter, you can see everything.